Do 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 do. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Hello my friends. Today we're going to learn how to do a double crochet stitch. In the last video we did a row of half double crochet, which is this row right here. And before that we did a row of single crochet, which is this row right here. As you can see, the half double crochet row is taller than the single crochet row. Now the double crochet is going to be even taller, and so I'm going to start by chaining 3, and this is because this chain of 3 is going to count as the first row of our double crochet. So when I do this first stitch, I'm going to put my hook not into the first, second, third, but the fourth stitch from the hook. And that's because this chain 3 counts as a first double crochet. So we're not going to stitch into that one. So to begin, we're going to yarn over and place our hook into that fourth stitch from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, oops, yarn over again, and pull through the last 2 loops, like so. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over again, pull up a loop. Yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, and pull through 2. Let's continue that. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now we're getting the rhythm of it. Again, we're going to continue this all the way down this row. Nice and easy. Adjusting the tension of your yarn as you need to. If it's too tight, then loosen it up a little bit. So if it's super tight like that, I might just pull up a bit here, give the hook a little bit of breathing room. Yarn over. And as you can see, before I yarn over again, I pull up a little bit so there's a little bit of space and this loop is a little bit looser. Because when I pull it through, I don't want to be too tight that it's so difficult to pull the hook through the loops. And you also don't want it to be too loose, so you got to kind of play around with it and find the right amount of tension in your yarn. If it's too loose, then your stitches might look loose, and if there's a lot of variation, then it just won't look that even. So you'll get the hang of it as you practice. Don't expect it to look perfect on your first go. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, okay? Enjoy it, have fun. Practice, practice, practice. Make sure you're nice and relaxed in your breathing. It's not a race. Also, when you're beginning, it's nice to have like a kind of thicker yarn. It's just a little bit easier to work with. And this yarn is nice because it doesn't really split. So it's just a little bit easier to work with. We'll get in that last one. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. Dun, 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 dun. Beautiful. So as you can see, the double crochet stitch is pretty tall. It's this whole row. See how tall that is? Compared to the half double crochet, which is this row, a little bit shorter, and then the single crochet, which was this first row. So it's kind of fun to just take a step back and look and notice how the different stitches compare to each other. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Keep practicing, you've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.